So what is factor? Factor is a number that divides another number evenly. Okay, factor is a number that divides another number evenly. We will check with an example. Okay, so I am taking 15 divided by 3. Okay, 15 divided by 3 I am taking. So if I am dividing 15 by 3, what will happen? 5 3s are 15. What I will get as remainder I will get as 0. So we can say that 3 is a factor of 15. Okay. So what we should do? We have to check if we are dividing a number by another number, we should get remainder as 0. Then only we can say that the divisor is a factor of that given number. Okay. So we can say that 3 is a factor of 15. If we are taking another factor 15, if we are dividing by 5, what will happen? 3 5s are 15. Again we will get remainder as 0. So you can say that here 5 is another factor of 15. So factors of 15, you can say that 3 5s are 15. So here 3 and 5 are called factors of 15. Okay, 3 and 5 are called factors of 15. Okay, understood? So you can write many other factors for 15, isn't it? So 15 you can, if you are multiplying 1 by 15, you will get 15. That means 15 if you are dividing by 1, you will get remainder as 0. Okay. So 15 is a factor and 1 is also a factor. These two, 1 and 15 are factors. So which and all the factors we got now? 3, 5, 1, 15 are the factors of 15, isn't it? So from that you can see that 1 is a factor. If you are taking another number, if you are taking 4, okay, 4, and if you are finding out the factors, you can divide that by 2, isn't it? That by 2, then you will get the remainder as 0. Again, if you can divide that by 1, then also you will get the remainder as 0. From that, you can see that here 1 is here in this. It is a factor of this number 4, and it is a factor of 15 too, isn't it? So if you are taking any numbers, that means if you are taking many numbers, if you are taking 20 or if you are taking 25 like that, you can see that in every number 1 is a factor. So 1 is a factor of every number. And one more thing, the number itself is a factor of that number itself. Okay, then the number itself is a factor. That means here we took 4. So 4 is a factor of itself. We can say that 4 divided by 4. If you are dividing 4 by itself, what you will get? You will get the remainder as 0. So you can say that every number itself is a factor of that number. Okay, here we can say that 15, if you are dividing 15 by 15, what you will get? Remainder as 0. So 15 is a factor of that number itself, isn't it? So factors, you can say that the common factor, that means 1 is a factor in every number, and you can say that the number itself is a factor. Okay, the number itself is a factor, and always the factors will be less than or equal to the given number. That means if you are taking the factors of 4, you can check this 2 and 1, this is less than 4 only, isn't it? If you are taking this 15, the factors are what? 3, 5 and 15 are, okay, without taking 15, we can say that 3, 5, 1 are the factors, isn't it? So that factors are less than 15, okay. So next one is multiple. What is a multiple? Multiple are what we get after multiplying the number by an integer. Okay, if you are taking a number 5, okay, we can multiply this number with any integer, means you can take positive numbers or negative numbers, isn't it? Or 0 you can take. So if you are multiplying this numbers by an integer, or you can say that by another number. Okay, if you are taking another number. So if you are multiplying 5 by 1, what you will get? 5. Isn't it? So you can say that 5 is a multiple of this 5, because we are multiplying 5 with another number and we got 5. Again, if you are multiplying 5 with another number 2, what you will get? 10. So you can say that 10 is a multiple of 5, or you can say that 10 is a multiple of 2 also. Okay, that means again I will go through another example. 3 5 so 15. So you can say that 15 is a multiple of 5, 15 is a multiple of 3 also. Okay, if you are taking another number 4 9s are 36, you can say that 36 is a multiple of 9 and 36 is a multiple of 4 too. Okay, so that is multiple. Now we are going to take 2 or 3 examples. 3 ones are 3, 7 ones are 7, 25 ones are 25. Okay, so from this what you can see that 3 is a multiple of 1, 7 is a multiple of 1. 25 is a multiple of 1. Here 5 is a multiple of 1. So every number you can say that every number is a multiple of 1 also. Okay. And you can see that here 5 is a multiple of, okay, 5 is a multiple of 5. And 10 is a multiple of 5. And 15 is a multiple of 5. Isn't it? So from here you can see that multiples are always greater than the given number. Okay, multiples are always greater than the given number. That means here 10 is a multiple of 5. Is it? 10 is a multiple of 5. That means that multiple is always greater than the given number. Okay. And you can find out infinite number of multiples for each number. Okay. Hope all of you understood this concept. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can ask me through the comment box. Thank you.